Welcome to PUC first year students. I am Ashok Vishnu Kurne. We are studying the chapter number 4, that is presentation of data. In the last period we have discussed about the single bar diagram, multiple bar diagram and component bar diagram. Students, today let us study the pie diagram, and the pie diagram is your own source collected data should be. On the basis of your collected data, you have to draw the pie chart or pie diagram. The project, this is the last question. It is a very important question for you. It is for 5 marks and it is project oriented question. It has 5 marks. We have to learn how to draw the pie chart on the basis of your own collected data. Students, you keep your own digits, what you have collected, the digits, and you have categorized the 3 categorized, that is self-employed and regular salary employed and casual wage laborers, and keep your own collected data on the basis of your digits. The project oriented question has 5 marks. On the basis of the data you have collected regarding the participation of women in your locality in the below mentioned categories, construct a pie chart. Construct a pie chart. There is a self-employed, how many self-employed are there, and how many regular salaried employees are there, and how many casual wage laborers are there. You have to draw a circle. If you draw a circle, that is called as the circle is called the pie diagram. You have to mention what percentage or how many casual laborers are there, and how many self-employed are there, and how regular salaried employees are there. You have to draw a circle and indicate or mention the percentage wise. It is 160 degree, the circle is 360 degrees and half of 180, and what percentage you have self-employed and regular salary employed and casual wage laborer you have put in this box. You separates the parts of the 360 degree. First of all, what you have to do, you make a chart to draw a pie chart. There is 3 categories wise categories: self-employed, regular salaried employed, and casual wage laborers, and total. The participation of women, and that is angles. First, the self-employed, how many self-employed are there? You mentioned your own collection data is for example 28,000 or self-employed are there, and regular salaried employees are 10,000. How many? 10,000. Regular salaried employees are 10,000, and casual wage laborers are 62,000. And total, you see how much the total? 0 to 0, 0 and 0, 8 plus 2, 10, and 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Total ekam dam shatam sayud asayud lakh, 1 lakh the total laborers are there. The participation of women in self-employed is 28,000 and regular salaried employees 10,000 and casual wage laborers are 62,000, total 1 lakh. And you calculate 28,000 divided by total 1 lakh into 360 degree. You calculate angles. This is a 28,000 divided by 1 lakh, ekam daham shatam savir dasavir lakh into 360 degree. 360 degree is equal to how much? 28,000 divided by 1 lakh into 360 degree is equal to 100.8 degree. It is angles. The 28,000 divided by total 1 lakh into 360 is equal to 100.8 degree. And the regular salaried, the 10,000 divided by 1 lakh into 360 degree is equal to 10,000 divided by 1 lakh into 360 degree is equal to 36 degree. And the casual wage laborers, how many casual wage laborers are there? 62,000 ekam dham shatam savir dasavir, 62,000 divided by 1 lakh into 360 degree is equal to how much? 62,000 divided by 1 lakh is equal 62,000 divided by 1 lakh into 360 is equal to 223.2 degree. Total 223.2 plus 36 plus 100 plus 8 is equal to 360. Total 360 degree. It is degree wise. And you have to draw a circle like this. What you have collected the data, keep in it. The self-employed is 28,000, self-employed is 28,000 and 10,000 regular salaries. The regular salaries is regular salary employees are less than the 28,000 the self-employed. And who is more? The 62,000 casual wage laborers are more than both of the self and regular salary employees. You draw the circle like this. This is called as the pie diagram or pie chart. So you have to learn how to collect the data. You have to categorize, do the category wise self-employed and regular salaried employees and casual wage laborers. And you have to have the 3 columns. One column is categorized self-employed, regular salaried employees and casual wage laborers. And second column is participation of women. And third column is angles. And what you have collected the data by the self-employed, the data are 28,000 and regularized salaries 10,000 and casual wage laborers 62,000, total 1 lakh. And angles 28,000 divided by 1 lakh into 360 is equal to 100.8 and 10,000 divided by 1 lakh into 360 is equal to 36 degree. and 62 divided by 1 lakh is equal to 62,000 1 lakh into 360 is equal to 223.2. Total the 100.8 and 36 plus 223.2 is equal to total 360 degree. You have to learn how to draw a pie chart or pie diagrams. So students, it is for 5 mark questions, project oriented questions. You have to keep remember how to draw a chart diagram or pie diagram. Pie diagram. The pie diagram is basis on the your own collected source. You have to collect your own, you keep your own data, what you have collected. Self-employed, you have to your own, keep your own digits or data. Self-employed and regular salaried and casual wage laborers. Total divided by the self-employed and regular salaries and casual laborers total. It is 28,000 divided by 1 lakh. 10,000 divided by 1 lakh. 62,000 divided by 1 lakh into 360 degree and total percentage degree. You have to keep remember, do like this. And lastly, I request you all, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to study. And you make homework and do study hard. I warn you again and again. I hope you all the best and best result for you. Thank you one and all.